Well, it seems like from bad movies from Blue Sky Studios. Hey guys, it's me, Jeremiah the Netflix 2010 here. And today, I will be ranting on Ice Age 5, or you can call Ice Age Collision Course. But anyways, let's start it. Ice Age 5 Collision Course has got to be one of worst movies of Blue Sky Studios ever. Let me tell you the reasons why I hate this movie. 1. Is that Scrat was get on UFO, like come on. Squirrels is not allowed to get on UFO. 2. This movie is terrible, like for example. Is that Ice Age 5 is terrible with you? So anyways, the animation is horrible. The characters are terrible. The music is terrible. And finally, the voice actors is a terrible. So Ice Age Collision Course sucks. And so does Paw Patrol movies. Ice Age is 100% times better than Ice Age 5 Collision Course. End of rant.